Hey guys, it's Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with the December mystery kit. I'm so confused because it's only November, but we did print the labels for these yesterday and we will be dropping them off today. If you're watching this in real time, which is Wednesday, I will be having a new releases video which will have all of the Black Friday deals a little bit more fully explained, probably on Thursday, if not Friday morning. I kind of have to get all of my stuff together and I'm still waiting on a couple of items to come in. But I have posted some sneaks on my Instagram. They're on the story section. There's a little like Insta story thing that you could press highlight and you can kind of look at those items. And then I also did post a post which kind of goes through the different items that we are going to be having. There's a lot of freebies and things like that and discounted items. So really excited for this weekend. But December mystery, I wanted to get it out before Black Friday weekend because I personally like to kind of start these big weekends with the least amount of orders and things like that. So I wanted to get this all done. So we did get it done, which I'm really excited about. And let's go ahead into this mystery. This mystery is kind of travel themed, which I've never done custom art that is travel related. It's kind of like a broad general travel related, which I think is something we can all keep in our collection and we will find the perfect time to use it and we'll be like, oh yes, I needed this kit. So really excited about this. This is custom art like all of our mystery kits. Mystery kits do not come to the shop. All the manufactured items do, so journaling cards, seals, foiled items. So those will be coming to the shop, but the kits will not be coming to the shop. This is the last month that had a shush card. The shush card is the like password for the last month's mystery. So this will be the last month that has the card, and then there won't be any more cards coming. So that is for the November mystery. So this one won't have a overstock. Like I said, I will just be putting the manufactured items in the shop. So this is the mystery kit. If you do want to sign up for the mystery kit, you won't get this one, but you can sign up for future kits on the every month on the 13th. I usually do announce something about it on Instagram, but there is a bunch of stuff in here. I didn't do post-its this month. I did do a poll on Instagram, and you guys said that, you know, you'd be cool with, you know, a sticker extra or a different kind of fun extra. This month I did do an extra sticker extra, so I'm going to go through this kit. This is the ultimate version. I do have a mini version as well, and I also am sick, so I don't know if you guys knew, but I'm not feeling too hot, but that's why my voice is really weird and I'm kind of like on a downer zone. But this is the kit. This is the December mystery kit. It's exclusive art. I love it. I just think it's so fun with the pink, and then you have like the green and the nudes. I just think it's a really fun color combo. You have like a girl here with her luggage. You have like the phone with a little like flight on it, the flowers, the plane, the little travel journal there, a TN maybe, and then all the stuff laid out. I just think it's a really cute kit. And I love the colors. I think it's neutral and just overall pretty. You have a bunch of deco here. This is the new format. A lot of people were asking when the new format was going to start in the mini kit and the ultimate kit. So this does have those boxes there, which is new. Well, not new to the main shop, but new to the mystery. So every mystery from now on will be in the newer format. This is the extra full box here. So you do have like the little passport and the little map there. You have your functional page, your half boxes page, your pattern washi page, your little things, and your fancy labels, your ombre hair checklist, and last but not least the bottom washi, which is just a really pretty cloud pattern. And then this also is a full box now. So really love this collection. Again, it's very like pretty, it's very neutral. I didn't want to do any type of destination just because I know a lot of people like go to different places when they travel. But I really think this looks super, super cute. I'm just really into it. So that is the ultimate kit. Oh, there's also the freebie with the little munchkin and then the SPC new releases. So this is normally what you get in shop for $29.95. But whenever you sign up for the ultimate, you do get some extras. The extras that we do quote is for the ultimate is the glitter samplers, which is normally for $95 in shop. And then I also do quote like one extra. So let's say this was the extra. So this is, usually it's a sticky note, but like I said, we did do a vote and you guys decided, it was like a really big majority were like, we could do without some sticky notes, but I will be doing some sticky notes some months. So this is a flight tracker, so you can use it whatever way you want. It's kind of pretty neutral and use it however. Oh, it's upside down. But I mean, you could use it this way too. I kind of actually like it this way better. So let's hold it that way. So I did kind of do these a little differently. Normally I would have the little circle dots around it. I actually don't offer these in multicolor, which is why I did them with this collection, because I figured, I mean, you might need them, and then also like a lot of these other colors you could use with other kits. But instead of doing the dots, I did do like a glitter stroke around the outside, which kind of gives it just a little bit more of a minimal vibe, which I really like. So that's kind of what we do quote as coming with the mystery, and then I always kind of spoil you guys and give you a bunch of extras. So you do get a journaling card. Well, this month you got a journaling card. I am going to be not probably doing journaling cards soon, just because you guys said that you don't really need them. And then there are some foiled bow seals with really pretty patterns on them. There is a foil extra. So what I did this month is I did do a quote. It says, "I do believe it's time for another adventure." You have the polka dots, which you will see throughout the kit. In these two, so there's 3 full boxes, and then I did a bunch of foiled travel icons, so you have a lot to choose from there, a lot of different kind of vibes, and you could definitely save these, you know, cut them out and save them for later as well. So that's the foiled sheet, and then there is also the bows, and then the fashion girls. So I just switched this up. Like I said, I do just quote like the glitter sampler and 1 extra, but I do usually put a couple extra things in there for you guys. So that is the ultimate kit, and that is I think $30, and then this one I believe is $17. Don't quote me. This one I just quote the glitter sampler because it is a more affordable option. Like I said, I probably won't be doing journaling cards starting in February, I believe. I have the one for January that's in production already. So you do get the glitter sampler with this, and then this one did come with the journaling card, which is really pretty. But this kit is the mini kit. So you do get the full boxes, and then this is the new format with the less little things and then the extra fancy labels. You do have the same functional page, the same deco page with those extra boxes down there. And then you do get the same bottom washi page, which now has the extra full box there. This is great for quotes and things like that, but also if you do need a little washi, you could totally just trim it out, make your washi as big or as little as you need it. And that is the mini kit. But that's everything for this month. I hope you guys liked this month's kit. I was really excited for it. I feel like it's something that you could always have an extra one in your collection, a little travel kit, especially a destination neutral one. Just think it's a really pretty collection to have. Like I said, this will not be coming to the shop. What I do with mysteries, what I have been doing is that I won't be bringing these to the shop for non-subscribers, but you know, in a year I'll definitely do a yearish. I'll do like a bring back some mysteries and reformat them and stuff. So I hope you guys like it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Normally my mysteries ship on the 31st, by the 31st of the month, but like I said, I did ship it out early just because of Cyber Monday being, no, Black Friday and Cyber Monday, so it did ship on the 20th. We'll be dropped off on the 21st this month. So I hope you guys like it, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one.